Hello, this is Grace and welcome to SureShotFX. So today we will see the analysis for GBPUSD pair or the pound dollar, and this is a weekly forecast analysis. Now there are two reasons we share the weekly analysis in details. Firstly, because we want to share with our members the way we take entries before giving out a signal in our VIP channel. And secondly, we want to educate our members so that they can learn our ways of technical analysis and they can trade by themselves. So this is a small initiative from our part to help our members. Now, without much delay, let's get started. And if you have followed our previous videos, or if you have seen them, you know that we start our analysis with higher time frame and then move on to the lower time frame. And we do this because we assess the structure of market or price from a higher time frame, and we get the confirmations, and then from lower time frame we take our entry. So at the moment I'm in the daily time frame of GBPUSD, as you can see, and we can see that price actually created a strong resistance in the long term right here, and price consolidated in this area. Now if you look closely in this area right here, we can see that this is actually the latest structure of price in the daily. And if we look closely right here, we can see that price created a kind of support in this area. And whenever price creates support like this, we know that a lot of retail traders will take buy order from here, and they will have their SL right here. So this is a kind of SL pool of retail traders, and as you can see with the movement of these candles right here, price grabbed the SL of retail traders in this area. Now if we further look at this structure right here, we can see that price created another support at this area right here. And similarly, there is the SL of retail traders just below this support area. And with the movement of these candles right here, price also grabbed the SL of retail traders basing on this area. Now, if we look at the candles right here, these two are the last day candle and the market closed that way. So primarily we are thinking that the price will be bullish because it closed in bullish, and that was our confirmation or observations from the daily time frame. Now we will move on to the 4-hour time frame for further analysis. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. And if we look closely in the 4-hour time frame, you know, the first thing you will see right here is this imbalance right here. Price left this imbalance right here, and also we can see that price created a kind of minor resistance right here. Now if you look at these two candles right here, you know what it is, right? It's as you can see that this, with the movement of this bullish candle right here, price actually broke out this resistance area, and then with this bearish candle it retested it. So this is a kind of breakout and retest structure here, and we are hoping that the next candle will be bullish, and if it breaks the high of this candle right here, then it will go up and it will fill up this imbalance area. So price might go bullish from here. But if we look closely right here, we can also see some imbalance here. So price might even come down here and then move up. So this was the structure of price in the 4-hour time frame. Now we will move on to a much smaller time frame for further analysis. So let's move on to the 1-hour time frame now. So this is the structure of price in the 1-hour time frame. So if we look at this part right here, we can see that price created a kind of lower low, lower high structure right here. Low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and price broke the structure right here. So this is our area of BOS, or break of structure as we say. Now, if we look right here, we can see that price actually couldn't hold the structure right here, and then price created a kind of lower low structure here, and price created a lower high, and then a lower low, lower high, lower low, and then a lower high. And as you can see that it broke the structure right here as well. So this is our BOS, or break of structure area as we say. Now, if we think about this structure right here, we are actually hoping that, or we are actually assuming that price will hold the structure and will go bullish. Now, you might have a question in mind right at this area, that, or right at this point, that price couldn't hold the structure right here, but why will price hold the structure here, right? So to get the answer, we have to move back to the daily. So this is our daily. And if we look closely right here, we can see that price created a kind of support in the daily that we have seen few minutes back. And this is a kind of retail pattern, right? So a lot of retail traders will have their SL right here, obviously. But then if you observe this candle right here, this bullish candle right here, this candle actually has a purpose. You know, this candle kind of sent a confirmation to retail traders that the support is still valid, and a lot of retail traders entered the market taking buy order, and their SL was here. So this created a kind of SL pool right here. Now, if we look at the movement of these two candles right here, we can clearly see that price actually grabbed the SL of retail traders right here with the strong bearish movement. So price actually fulfilled its target right here. Now, if we look further down in the daily, we can't see any kind of retail structure or anything imbalance or anything right here. So price actually got no targets in this area. So our assumption is that, or we are hoping that price will go bullish and it will hold the structure, break of structure in the 1 hour time frame we saw. So we will take our entry for a buy order from here. Like if we get a confirmation and a bullish candle right here that breaks the high of this candle right here, we will take an entry from here, and that will be a buy entry. Our SL will be just around here. Our TP, sorry, our take profit will be around here, and our SL will be just below this candles right here. So we will take entry from around here. Our SL will be just around here, and our TP right here. So that was our analysis for GBPUSD. Let us know if you liked this analysis and what do you think of this analysis. So that's all for today, and if you are interested in learning the way we do our technical analysis, then you can always knock us and ask any questions you have in mind, or you can also enroll in our FX Academy. We actually follow the techniques that we in that the same as the FX Academy. You can see in the videos. So feel free to knock us for any help or anything, and till next time,